Today, we affirm magnetic manifestation. You are no longer chasing. You are no longer begging. You are manifesting the life that chooses you back. Close your eyes. Follow the affirmation. Let's begin. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back. I am manifesting relationships that feel mutual. I am manifesting opportunities that feel aligned. I am manifesting timelines that feel divine. I am manifesting spaces that feel sacred. I am manifesting love that feels safe. I am manifesting success that feels soulful. I am manifesting clarity that feels grounded. I am manifesting abundance that feels peaceful. I am manifesting joy that feels sustainable. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back. I am no longer chasing what doesn't see me. I am no longer begging for what doesn't honor me. I am no longer performing for what doesn't value me. I am no longer waiting for what doesn't choose me. I am no longer tolerating what doesn't nourish me. I am no longer shrinking for what doesn't respect me. I am no longer proving myself to be worthy. I am no longer explaining my boundaries. I am no longer negotiating my truth. I am no longer abandoning myself for approval. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back. I am the energy I used to chase. I am the love I used to seek. I am the peace I used to beg for. I am the clarity I used to crave. I am the confidence I used to fake. I am the joy I used to pretend to feel. I am the strength I used to outsource. I am the wisdom I used to quote. I am the magnetism I used to mimic. I am the creator I used to admire. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back. I am the lover I used to long for. I am the friend I used to need. I am the healer I used to search for. I am the artist I used to idolize. I am the dreamer I used to dismiss. I am the believer I used to doubt. I am the soul I used to suppress. I am the light I used to dim. I am the future I used to fantasize about. I am the present I used to avoid. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back. I am the path I used to question. I am the answer I used to wait for. I am the miracle I used to pray for. I am the abundance I used to visualize. I am the alignment I used to study. I am the embodiment I used to imagine. I am the transformation I used to resist. I am the evolution I used to delay. I am the expansion I used to fear. I am the clarity I used to doubt. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back. I am the version of me that feels like truth. I am the version of me that feels like peace. I am the version of me that feels like power. I am the version of me that feels like home. I am the version of me that feels like destiny. I am the version of me that feels like light. I am the version of me that feels like love. I am the version of me that feels like freedom. I am the version of me that feels like abundance. I am the version of me that feels like clarity. I am manifesting the life that chooses me back because I am finally choosing myself. You didn't just manifest a life, you became the version of you who's chosen by it. You didn't just speak your truth, you magnetized it. Watch this daily to stay aligned with your divine timeline. And if this resonated with you, we humbly invite you to subscribe to our channel.